Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. So, y'all, I am loving my spring twist. And I'm just so happy to be able to show you just how beautiful these twists are. Look at how gorgeous they are. It's just something about spring twist. It just hits differently from your regular box braids, micro braids. Oh, I love them. They are way more lighter. They're easier to sleep in. I can just throw on a bonnet and I can sleep any which way I choose and still be comfortable. Spring twists are great for those ladies that have fine to thin strands because it doesn't put too much tension or stress on your scalp. You can't go wrong with spring twists at all. Oh my God, look at how beautiful these are. There's different methods to installing spring twists. You can braid them in, or you may decide to crochet them in. Whatever is good for you. But y'all, look at that. Look at that swing time. Yes, honey. I absolutely love it. I just love it. Spring twist gives you that classic lady look. They're sexy. They're just all of that and more, in my personal opinion. Look at this. Look at this. I just love that real full look that it gives you. And I like that it's just not long hair just hanging all down my back. They're perfect for any season. Spring, summer, fall, or winter. They're just beautiful. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. I'm beautiful. And I'm having fun with these beautiful spring twists. Y'all, it doesn't take long to install. They don't take long to uninstall. You can wash these. Yes, I really like them a lot. I really hope that you all have enjoyed this showcase of a beautiful black woman rocking her beautiful spring twist. Yes, look, look, look. They are gorgeous. They are affordable. If you don't have the natural hair to do your own twist, girlfriend, get you some spring twists. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.